Hello everyone, welcome here. In this session, you are going to learn writing CSV files with the help of using pandas module. So earlier session we have learned how to install and import the pandas, and with the help of pandas module and reading underscore CSV we have learned means like almost much lecture we have covered. So here we have a two-dimensional array of the data, how we are going to be writing a particular CSV file. Let's see here, by reading this file only, if we want to write something in this file, what we need to do for an extension of a few, by making index column, we have to specify index column that equal to employee or user, anything. Employee, if I am putting here, and making comma, and what we need to do here, parse dates that equal to dates of parsing, which is hired, and one more, making a columns. Okay, making a columns. So parse dates and hired, and hire header equal to 0, header. Yes, these are the parameters are very essential. Making comma, so the names equal to, what are the names, sorry, it is in a comma. What are the names we require here? Employee, comma, hired, comma, so taking hired, comma, making a little bit low font because it's not covering entire the things. So the salary, which he is drawing, and sick days or leaves. Any modifications if you want to require here, yes, you can do the modification, it will be applied over there. So where is end point here? So where is the end point? Yes, here it is coming. Yes, at the parenthesis we need to close with the read the CSVs. Now the function what we need to write here, data frame. Just a second. DF, it's nothing but data frame. No, data frame dot to underscore CSV. Yes, to underscore CSV to modified underscore user, small letters you can put, user data, no spaces, dot CSV, comma, separated values, CSV. So now run the file, run the program. It's getting an error. Expected 4 things, too many columns specified here, 4 and found 1. You may try to add index columns many columns. You may try to add index of hired, index of salary, index of leaves, and let's try yourself. All right, we'll jump to next lecture. Thank you.